everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 14th to the 18th of November 2022 on Monday. Funani is ready for the next chapter of his life, which involves honor, while Soga tried to comfort Nomsa over her business on Tuesday. Funani is determined to make honor feels like family, while Faith learns the truth about Shoki and decide to confront her on Wednesday. Dinner goes completely wrong at the Zwide house, while Faith decides to use Shoki's situation to her advantage on Thursday. Honor is overwhelmed by the Zwide opulence as her father decides to spoil her while Faith continues to play on Nomsa's fears on Friday. Honor feels awkward over all her expensive gifts, while Nomsa tried to come up with another plan, but Faith put on more pressure. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.